Welcome to the Speak and Rise podcast.
We are your hosts.
Let's amplify your voice and rise together.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Speak and Rise podcast, where we help you speak English with more confidence and less fear. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mark. Jessica, ready for another real English conversation?
Always.
I have a feeling today's topic is going to sound very familiar to a lot of people.
Mark, can I admit something embarrassing?
This already sounds interesting. Go ahead.
I become a completely different person at restaurants.
What do you mean?
At home, I can speak English. Watching YouTube? Fine. Talking to myself? Fine. But the second a waiter comes to my table, suddenly I forget every word I've ever learned.
Honestly, that's one of the most common problems English learners have. Okay, let's imagine we're entering a restaurant right now.
All right, let's do this.
First thing the waiter usually says is, "Hi, table for two?"
And this is where my panic starts already.
No pressure. You can simply say, "Yes, please," or "Table for two, please." That's it.
Honestly, English feels easier when sentences are short.
Because real English is short most of the time. Movies lied to us.
Menus are another problem. Sometimes I don't even know how to pronounce the food.
Honestly, native speakers also fake confidence with menu pronunciation sometimes.
That actually makes me feel better.
And remember, you don't need perfect pronunciation. You just need communication.
Okay, so what if I don't understand something on the menu?
Easy. You can ask, "What's this? What do you recommend? Is this spicy?" Simple questions.
See, textbooks never teach these things.
Exactly. That's why people know grammar, but panic in real life. Okay, waiter comes to the table. What do you say?
Panic?
No panic allowed. Just say, "Can I get a chicken burger?" Or, "I'd like a coffee, please."
Why does that sound so easy when you say it?
Because I'm not overthinking. Most learners try to build perfect English before speaking.
Meanwhile, the waiter just wants the order.
Exactly. Nobody is grading your grammar at the restaurant.
Okay, wait.
Oh no.
One time I wanted sparkling water, but I forgot the word sparkling. So I just said, water with gas.
Honestly, that still makes sense.
The waiter looked confused for 2 seconds, then understood me.
See? That's the whole point. Communication matters more than perfection.
I think English learners are too scared of sounding imperfect.
100%. Meanwhile, native speakers make mistakes every single day. You know what's actually harder than ordering food?
What?
Small talk.
Oh, yes. When somebody says, "How's your day going?" and suddenly my brain restarts itself.
The easiest answer? Pretty good, thanks. That's enough. Real conversations are usually simple.
I think social media makes people think fluent English has to sound fancy.
Exactly. Simple English spoken confidently sounds more natural than complicated English spoken nervously. Okay, final challenge. The bill arrives. What do you say?
Can we get the bill, please?
Perfect. See? You survived the restaurant.
Barely.
If your English disappears in restaurants, you're not bad at English. You just need more real-life practice.
And remember, confidence grows through experience, not perfection.
Confidence first.
Fluency follows.
We'll see you in the next Speak and Rise podcast.